Well, they've done it, folks. Bambu has officially announced something. If you go to the Bambu Lab site this morning, you will see this screen that I've got here. Excellence made simple, and notice how they're spelling excellence. So that is the X in the X2D. And let me reload this page. They have this little animation here of that tool head. And if you saw there at the very last bit, we've got that dual nozzle system. So I downloaded this video and let's step through it together. And we'll kind of go frame by frame here. And I'm sure this is obviously a rendering, but we can see kind of the circuit board in the back of the tool head. At the top, notice there is just kind of that looks to be a single filament path or single filament inlet, and it is running down this way. And we've got the extruder motor there in the back. And here we are gaining some information on this tool head camera off to the right of the unit. Now we're starting to see a gear mechanism here for raising and lowering the right nozzle. Looks like some pivoting arms, and you'll see here toward the end, that is for the little drip catcher. And now we've got, that's probably the linear bearings for the tool heads, or at least one of them, or the mounting for the nozzles. And now we see the filament paths. So we've got the one here from the center, and we've got our extruder motor, or in our extruder gears right here. But notice this one is coming straight on through. And as we continue to build, they kind of highlight here the final pieces. Now we've got the fan shroud and the fan blades, and then we've got this little geared mechanism here. And as the animation finishes, we've got our Bambu Lab lit logo. And then the final bit here, we've got that little nozzle drip catcher. We've got that swinging into place. So there you have what Bambu Lab is officially telling us. Now, if we compare what we just saw that Bambu is announcing in that little animation to the leaked photos that were found in the Handy app months ago, we can see that it is pretty near spot on. We've got the Bambu Lab logo here at the top. We've got that open fan. We've got the dual nozzle system. You can even see down here toward the bottom, that is the little cantilevered design for the nozzle drip catcher. So the exact same thing that we just saw in that animation. We've got the tool head camera over here on the left. And this is one of the other images that was in there. And in one of my last videos, I said that this was the TPU assist accessory that they recently announced. And somebody rightly so corrected me and said, that's not the TPU assist module, that's a Bowden extruder, because this new tool head, and you can see here kind of in the background, it does not have room like the H2D for that large motor to do a dual extruder system in there. So you've got the one extruder that is set up there with the motor. We saw that in the animation. The other tool path runs straight through, and this is the Bowden extruder. So you've got an extruder set up, all the gears and everything to engage the filament and then push that down to the nozzle. So that image checks out as well. And then here again, we see that tool head. And in this one, they have compacted things. It looks like it will work differently than the other printers that we've seen from Bambu Lab. Most of them, the filament cutter gets pushed in from the side, that the tool head moves to the side of the printer. That little pin kind of pops out from the side and the tool head pushes up against it, and that engages the filament cutter. It looks like this one is going to be engaged here at the bottom. This is a pivot point on the top, and it will push to cut the filament that way. So looks like all of these images were legit and they do check out. You can sign up give them your email. And on April 14th, 2026 at 4 p.m. CEST, they will probably officially announce this printer. So more confirmation. I think it was less than 12 hours or maybe 12, 13 hours ago that I posted that video showing the boxes at Micro Center. Doesn't really matter whether that was true or not anymore, because we have the first official announcement from Bambu Lab that we have a dual nozzle X series printer coming. So again, I would love to know, what are you thinking? Obviously this machine needs to fit somewhere in between the P2S combo and the H2S. So we're probably looking somewhere between $900 and $1,200. What features are must-haves for you, and what price would you pay? Please let me know down on the comments. Are you excited about this? It's a tight fit for Bambu Lab to come out with a printer. The X series used to be their flagship printer. It was the one that started it all, and now it's kind of having to fit in a very tight area to even potentially be competitive, since we have so many other options out there. We have multiple tool changers that are now on the market that are priced probably lower than the cost of this machine. And we have more tool changers coming. So is this even of interest to you? Again, let me know down in the comments. Please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you know when I drop new content. As always, I enjoy being able to spend time with you here on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone.